And she was right by me, and she would come up and she'd just start dancing on me, kind of like this. And Nancy goes, "It's his birthday. He's 22." And she goes, "Oh my God!" Like turns around, got on her knees, and fake gave me head, like fake fellatio to the air around my crotch, and said, "It's your 22. That means we can spend 22 minutes in the bathroom." Okay. She was so drunk.
Wow.
She was so drunk.
I'm so glad I got that entire story. Like, beautiful fireworks. And then there's like Zach in the background.
You taking a video?
Wow.
Oh, I like the loud.
Oh my God, that's cool.
That was sweet.
Man, that thing is huge.
Blasted.
We're gonna get rained on here.
Going.
So this girl was totally sucked dick, right?
I got airhead, bitches.
Airhead, y'all.
I like how the world just stops fireworks.
It does. And that's what's awesome.
This is so much better than that game until right now.
We probably scored a touchdown because we're all not watching. I'm serious.
I really wonder why they're doing this. It's not like fireworks go bad.
I bet it's because the 4th of July thing.
What 4th of July thing?
It's not even close to 4th of July.
No, they have a
July 4th
they have a
in
4th of July
Norman.
show, but it rained and they had to cancel it. And they're like, we're gonna reschedule it, but we don't have a date right now. And if fireworks don't, I mean.
I just really like this.
That was cool.
And if you said Veterans Day was like Thursday, I mean, why not wait,
Yeah,
right?
Veterans Day is Thursday, so it's a good time.
I mean, I can look online. The city of Norman will have something about it. Is that because no one lives there?
No one lives there?
There's another house on Wilson too. There are like 2 empty houses on the street.
I think Ted's trying to find a place to live.
A house?
Yeah, it might be cheaper.
Oh, yeah, ours is going up next year.
Not by yourself, it won't be. If you.
No, she'll get 2 roommates or whatever.
Huh?
They already have all the furniture. That was a big one.
That's a cool one.
This video is awesome.
Dude, you're still recording?
Yeah, dude, I'm on 3 minutes of this shit. This is HD.
This is HD.
This is
8 megapixels, bitch.
Bitch.
They even have really.
Anyone else hear music?
going.
Yeah.
God bless America.
You guys want to watch?
Kind of seems like it's slung. I don't know how long this thing's there.
I was wondering if we want to walk down to the park.
How come I couldn't see it earlier when I came out, though?
I don't know.
Like, I literally could not see it.
It's like the terrorist targeted Norman. Oh my god.
Like this smoke that came from there.
Alright, I'm gonna cut this video off 4 minutes.
That was sweet.
Whoa! Oh god. Aw, dud. Choo choo. Pew pew.
Do our own effects.
Woo! Bah! Bah! Boom, bam!